Best dehumidifier for damp basements. 8 Best dehumidifier for damp basement. Number 1. LG Puricare UD 501 Coach 5 Dehumidifier. This dehumidifier can be used to remove excess moisture from the air quickly and efficiently. Number 2. Santa Fe Compact 70 Dehumidifier. It is made in the United States and has flexible installation options, including freestanding or ducting. Number 3. Tosot 4,500 square feet dehumidifier. Tosot 50 pint with internal pump 4,500 square feet dehumidifier. Energy Star can pump water out of the machine so you don't have to worry about it. Number 4. Midea 20C1 ZWS Dehumidifier. This machine is perfect for use in a basement, bathroom, bedroom, office, kitchen, cellar, or crawl space. Number 5. Shinko SDZ 11500 square foot dehumidifier. The chart on the left will give you a rough idea of the dehumidifier you need based on the size of your space. Number 6. Ivation 4,500 square feet Energy Star Dehumidifier. It also has a built-in humidity sensor that will show you the current humidity level in the room. Number 7. Yafi 30 pint Dehumidifier. This dehumidifier removes up to 32.7 pints of moisture from the air each day. Number 8. Kesno 70 pint Dehumidifier. This Kesno 70 pint dehumidifier can remove up to 70 pints of moisture from the air each day.